Going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're back out in the woods. We're gonna be doing a video on cutting, sawing up some logs, stuff like that. Just kind of practice. It's good to be prepared for when you get out in the woods. So that's kind of what we're doing today. So stay tuned with us, and yeah, we're gonna get set up and ready to go, and then we'll do a video on cutting up some slabs here. So, all right, thank you. Alright, so here we are cutting up slabs. You can tell that they're all kind of tied down by that strap there. Was trying to kind of pull them out and cut the individual slabs, but realized it was kind of hard to do that because they were all tied together. So kind of did what I could, and then eventually elected to cut multiple slabs, and at that point I was really worried about kickback. You can tell by my posture about halfway through the video that I was really kind of concerned about that. I don't know if it's, and you guys can leave this in the comments, I don't know if kickback is the same with chainsaws as it is with welding, like grinders and stuff like that, but you could tell by my posture I was very worried about that. So yeah, but we got it done, no kickback, no bloody noses, and we're good to go, so yay. All right, and there you have it. So we got a little bit done. I'd say the chainsaw's ready to go, and ready to take it out to the woods, and we'll be doing that here pretty quick here shortly. Probably within the next couple weeks here. I heard it's supposed to possibly snow up here this weekend, so that might change things up a little bit, but right now it's like, I think it's like 70 degrees out right now or something like that. It feels like it. So, yeah. So we're going to get this all piled up. We're going to go put it in our sort tote bins and, yeah, maybe do some more. So thanks for watching. We appreciate it. Thanks for watching me try to figure out a chainsaw. I haven't really used many, so this is kind of all new for me. I'm having a blast. It's always been a dream of mine to do kind of a channel, so the fact that after 10 years I finally kind of pulled the trigger and kind of did it, it's you can tell in the videos I'm just tickled like a pickle. So anyways, thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. All right, see ya.